Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and confirming two-factor authentication. This secures your session. Once signed in, open Edge or Bing. Calm and enable Copilot from the settings panel so the assistant can run. Make sure to grant browsing and file access when requested because Copilot uses live context to produce accurate answers. After enabling, reload the page and open the Copilot pane. You're ready to give your first prompt and begin an interactive session immediately. You now focus on how to ask. Start with a clear goal, telling Copilot what output, tone, and length you want. Once done, paste relevant text or attach files so Copilot has context. That improves relevance and reduces errors. Use progressive prompting. Request a draft, then ask for edits, simplification, or expansion. Make sure to compare alternatives and ask for sources when needed. Throughout, use short clarifying prompts to steer the response, rather than rewriting your entire request each time. You finish by carefully reviewing Copilot's output and editing any factual or stylistic issues before using it. Once satisfied, export your work by copying, downloading, or sending it to email or calendar. Make sure attachments preserved formatting. If results seem off, rephrase the request, add specific context, or toggle browsing and file access to force fresh retrieval. As a final tip, clear the conversation and restart Copilot if replies stall. That often fixes cached context or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.